Hi guys, this is Goddess Gal. Today I would like to do the review for the fragrance that I bought for quite some time, and this one is the Armani. I'm so sorry how to pronounce that. Gioi. I'm so sorry. I don't know how to pronounce it. I've been seeing this fragrance a lot on my social media and on YouTube. The YouTubers that I like, they say this one is good, so I give it a try. And this one is old packaging. I don't know how long is it. And this one is order bumper. So I'm so excited to do the review in front of you guys. So let's do it. Oh shit. I tried it before, but let's do it. This one definitely has a lot of citrus and aromatic. It feels light. This one is not strong fragrance at all. The beginning is not too much, I would say. The packaging is so stunning. I love it. The perfume looks green. It's really beautiful. The top notes are Amalfi lemon mint. Middle notes are jasmine, peony, pink pepper. Base notes are Virginia cedar, French labdanum, brown sugar. So it already dries down, and I would say I could smell a little bit green, little bit citrus. It's slightly sweet. I feel like this is a super light fragrance for anybody. It's not strong, and I feel like I'm more drawn to the fresh fragrance more than super sweet one. But for this one, I don't know why I'm not super drawn to it. After 5 minutes, that is already dried down. I could barely smell it. I mean, I could smell it a little bit, but let me give it one try. I'll do the rat test for this one. Right now it's 3:20 and I'll come back for the rat test. Hi guys, and I'm back. Right now it's midnight, so it's been forever. So my final thought of this fragrance, actually when I first applied, I think I would not like it, but for the dry down, it's surprisingly beautiful. It's like, this is the lightest fragrance that I own, I would say. It's not like I could smell myself all the time, but somehow I slightly could smell that kind of green aromatic, but when I sniff on my hands, it's a little bit citrusy and green and kind of sweet, so I thought I wouldn't like it, but I feel like I like it more than I thought that I would. It's really interesting, and I feel like this fragrance is kind of like super skin scent. I mean, like, it's not strong, it's really skin scent the whole time that you apply it. I believe it lasts on me around 5 hours, and after that it fades. That's kind of normal, but it's not super long lasting fragrance. It's really light and kind of like skin scent, aromatic, beautiful kind of scent. So I kind of enjoy using it. It's relaxing and kind of cute scent, if you ask me. So that's my quick review for this Armani Di Gioia. I'm so sorry, I cannot do that again. So I would like to wrap this video up and finish the video. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video.